Olavita Tri-lift Peptide Cream is marketed as an anti-aging skincare cream that claims to reduce wrinkles, firm the skin, and restore a more youthful appearance. The ads can make it sound like a facelift in a jar, but the real question is, does it actually reverse aging? Now, to be fair, peptide creams can be a useful part of a skincare routine. Some peptides have research suggesting they may help improve skin hydration and the appearance of fine lines over time. What it does well: may improve skin hydration. Well-moisturized skin often looks smoother and healthier. May reduce the appearance of fine lines. Peptides can help improve the look of the skin, although results are usually modest. Where the hype falls apart, it won't reverse aging. This is the biggest issue. No topical cream can stop or reverse the natural aging process. Results take time. Any visible improvements typically require weeks of consistent use. Marketing often exaggerates before and after photos. Professional lighting, makeup, and photo editing can make results appear more dramatic. So, does Olavita Tri-lift Peptide Cream reverse aging? Short answer: no. It may help improve hydration and reduce the appearance of fine lines, but there is no strong evidence that it can reverse aging. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.